Students, so coming to the organic chemistry, so till now we studied about the different types of the structural formulae like complete structural formula, condensed structural formula and bond line structural formula, and 2 pages notes I gave. You should write that 2 page notes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. In your notes you should write, and also whatever I have given the examples, that also you should write in your book. Okay, so after that you should write the heading 3-dimensional representation of organic molecules, solid and dashed wedge formula. So in these formula, solid wedge means like this. It indicates a bond projecting out of the plane of paper towards the observer. So 3-dimensional means 3D picture nodri ನೀವು. You I think all of you watched 3D pictures, films. So in that, outside the screen, we can observe some things happening outside the screen. And then means we assume like that. And backside the screen also. Okay, so means 3-dimension. In this formula, the wedge, solid wedge, indicates a bond projecting out of the plane of the paper towards the observer. So like this solid wedge, it indicates the bond. The bond, it is bond only, but it is towards the observer. Means board in the ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತೈತಿ ಇದು. Dashed wedge, dashed means like this. This indicates the bond projecting out of the plane of the paper and away from the observer. Means backside the board, backside the paper. So the bonds lying in the plane of the paper are depicted, means shown by using a normal line. Plane ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by normal. So 3D representation of methane molecule here we have shown. This will be asked for 1 mark. So methane means CH4. Normally CH4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೇವೆ ನಾವು. But wedged, solid and dashed wedge form or 3D form of methane means how we should write? Carbon at the center, 2 bonds in the plane of the paper. Backside the plane of the paper, dash 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 H. Then outside the plane towards the observer, this is towards the observer, bond attached to H towards the observer. This one is away from the observer, this bond, this also bond, but these two are in the plane of the paper. Okay, then here we have shown 3D representation. 1 mark ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, or wedge and dash representation of methane. Okay, next coming to the classification of organic compounds. So idu only methane is there for your syllabus. If it is asked for 1 mark, you should write this formula like this, showing the dash and solid wedge, then normal lines, 4 hydrogens, labeling, you should label these things, which bonds are there. Okay, then classification of organic compounds. So based on the structure, organic compounds are broadly classified as. So organic compounds are classified as mainly 2 types, acyclic or open chain compounds or aliphatic compounds. Acyclic ಅಂದ್ರೆ cyclic ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. acyclic. Cycle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಲಾರದ್ದು ಇವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಚೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, acyclic. ಅದರದ್ದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ cyclic. So acyclic or open chain compounds or aliphatic means like example CH4 methane or ethane CH3 ethane or ethene CH2 double bond CH2 or propane CH3CH2CH3. Okay, or if you take butane CH3CH2CH3, this is normal butane, straight chain. Carbon ಹೇಳೇನು ನಾನು, due to the catenation it has the property to form the chains with other carbon, or it can also form the ring. So this is normal butane. So these are acyclic or open chain compounds or aliphatic compounds. Cyclic ಅಂದ್ರೆ acyclic ಅಂದ್ರೆ cycle ಇರ್ಲಾರದ್ದು, ring ಇರ್ಲಾರದ್ದು. Cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. So closed chain or ring compounds. Here we have again two types, homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. ಅಂದ್ರೆ cyclic ಒಳಗೆ homo means only one, same atom, or carbocyclic only carbon. So if we have the rings with only carbon atoms, they are homocyclic or carbocyclic. Heterocyclic means one of the carbon in the ring, it is replaced by other atom like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, which are called as heteroatoms. Homocyclic or carbocyclic ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ CH2, 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 CH2 ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಬರೀ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಟಮ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹಿಟ್ರೋಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅಂಡರ್ ಹೋಮೋಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ only cycles having or ring having only carbon atoms. Under this we have alicyclic compound or aromatic compounds. So alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic means these are the compounds having same properties as that of the aliphatic, but only difference is these are cyclic, these are acyclic. Properties will be same. Okay, so these are alicyclic means they have the compounds having same properties as that of the acyclic or open chain or aliphatic compounds. So alicyclic example, just now I told you, cyclopropane or cyclopentane, CH2, 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 CH2. Junction ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH2 ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ alicyclic compound. Okay, but another type of the homocyclic, aromatic. Carbon chain irtada but aromatic irtada. Aromatic compound means the compounds having a special particular smell. Aroma means smell. Okay, under this aromatic we have benzenoid compounds and non-benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid means they are the compounds having benzene ring. Non-benzenoid, they have the smell, particular smell, but they do not contain the benzene ring. ಸೊ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ alternate single and double bond will be there. This is benzene. Benzenoid compound ಅಂದ್ರೆ benzene ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. See for example here if you write NH2, it is aniline. Depending upon this group attached to the benzene, we have different benzenoid compounds. Okay, so similarly if you have the OH group to the benzene ring, it is phenol. This is phenol. Next kalitir ನೀವು. So afterwards you are studying this. These are benzenoid compounds having benzene ring. Another benzene ring compound means two benzene ring joined together like this. This is naphthalene. Naphthalene balls, ಡಂಬರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Naphthalene. Two benzene rings. Okay, all these are benzenoid compounds. Non-benzenoid, they have the particular smell, but there is no benzene ring. They do not have the benzene ring. So classification means only for 2 marks you should write like this. But definition, I am going to explain about the definition and example of each type of the compound. Okay, ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್, there may be branch but not ring, are called acyclic. Acyclic na ಹೇಳಿ, cyclic ಇರ್ಲಾರ್ದಕ್ಕೆ acyclic ಅಂತಾರೆ. They are not cyclic. Acyclic or open chain are also called as aliphatic compounds. So what are acyclic compounds means what you should write? The straight or branched chain compounds are called acyclic. So example ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ethane, CH3 ethane. Then isobutane. ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್? CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. This one is normal butane. Isobutane means 4 carbons are there but branch is there, it is not straight. So this CH3 group, one carbon is less. Last here CH3 and one hydrogen is not there. In between we have CH3. So 4 carbons, CH3, 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 CH, CH3, 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 CH. It is isobutane. Similarly, acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH. CHO means aldehyde group. Okay, this is one homologous series. Next, afterwards you are studying acetic acid, COOH, COOH. It is acid group. CH3 group is there, S is acetic acid. These are the example for the acyclic compounds. Then second type, cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. So in these compounds, the atoms of the molecules are joined in the form of the rings. So they are rings. So they're based on the type of the atoms in the ring, cyclic compounds are classified. Which type of the atoms will be there? If same type of the atom like only carbon is there, then it is homocyclic. If instead of carbon, one of the carbon, if it is replaced by any other hetero atom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, they are heterocyclic. First we study about the homocyclic compound. So homocyclic compound, what is homocyclic compound? So the compounds in which ring is made up of only carbon atoms. ಬರೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಮೋಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆಲ್ಲ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು 2 types. ಸೊ ಹೋಮೋಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಟೈಪ್. ಅಲಿಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಹೋಮೋಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್, ಅಲಿಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್, ಅರೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್. ಮತ್ತು ಅಂಡರ್ ಅರೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನಾಯ್ಡ್, ನಾನ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನಾಯ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಲಿಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್, the homocyclic compounds showing properties similar to the aliphatic compounds, means open chain compounds. Properties are same. Like cyclopropane, it has same properties as that of the propane. Propane andre normal irtade. See, propane means normal propane, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is normal propane, open chain, aliphatic. So this one is CH2, 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 3 carbon, cyclopropane. Properties are similar to that of the propane. So properties are similar to that of the aliphatic compounds because this is aliphatic, open chain. Okay. So alicyclic compound means homocyclic compounds showing properties similar to the aliphatic compounds are called alicyclic compounds. Example, cyclopropane. Here we have written the bond line structures. Bond line structure bardeti. Cyclobutane. One junction, it indicates the CH2 group because 2 bonds are there. So to satisfy the valency of carbon, again 2 hydrogen should be there. CH2, 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 CH2. This is cyclopentane. This is cyclopentane means 5 carbons. One junction nodri 5 carbons aiti. Here cyclohexane. So CH2, CH2, CH2. Junction means it indicates carbon with 2 hydrogens. Single bond is there. Then aromatic compound under homocyclic, alicyclic and aromatic. So aromatic compounds are special type of compounds having particular smell. Aroma means smell. So aromatic compounds containing benzene ring are called benzenoid because under aromatic we have benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Here we studied under aromatic, benzenoid, non-benzenoid. So aromatic compounds containing benzene ring are called benzenoid aromatic compounds, and the aromatic compounds do not containing benzene ring are called non-benzenoid aromatic compound, or only aromatic only kuru naditade, non-benzenoid compound. So benzenoid means benzene ring. Just now I told you aniline, benzene attached to NH2 group. 2 benzene ring joined together, naphthalene, ಡಂಬರ್ ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. Okay. Then non-benzenoid example, here you can see how many carbons are there. This is 1 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. 6 carbon is the benzene ring. Okay. So this one is not benzene ring. Therefore it is non-benzenoid compound. The example name of this compound is tropolone. 7 carbons, double bond O, tropolone. Okay. So these are all homocyclic. Alicyclic, aromatic means homocyclic. Only carbon chain ada idrolage. Only carbon rings of carbons are there. No different atom in the ring. Ring ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇರೆ atom ಇಲ್ಲ, only carbon. But heterocyclic compound means cyclic compounds containing one or more heteroatoms in the ring are called heterocyclic compounds. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಇನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ heterocyclic compounds, ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ. So cyclic compounds containing one or more heteroatoms in the ring are called heterocyclic compounds. Okay, annual exam ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇವು. So heterocyclic compounds example ಫ್ಯೂರಾನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ 3 bonds are there. So 1 carbon, 3 bonds means here only 1 hydrogen will be there. Again here 3 bonds, 1 2 3, 1 hydrogen should be there. Then here 1 carbon, then here 1 carbon. So 1 2 3, so CH, 1 2 3 CH, because valency of carbon is 4. So instead of carbon here we have O. So this compound is furan. Okay. Similarly here the heteroatom is sulfur, thiophene. Thio means sulfur. Then this one 1 2 3 4 5 carbons, and instead of 6 carbon ittandre illi it will be benzene, but 1 carbon is replaced by nitrogen heteroatom. The name is pyridine. So this is about the general classification of the organic compounds. Okay, thank you.